Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you set up the ability for users to purchase currency rewards, whatever you want to call it, in the mobile apps. So you need to turn on the point purchase feature in the back office, and once that's on, you'll see it in your loyalty section. Come on over here, and you're able to set up different types of different currency denominations. So in this example, we've got 5, 25, 50, 100, 250, and 500. I'll show you what it looks like in the app in a second. It's 6 across, but essentially what you're doing here is adding an amount. Let's say you got 150, and hitting the submit button, and you will see it on the right-hand side over here. I'm going to delete that one because I don't want it here for now. So these are the denominations that you're offering to sell as far as dollars go inside of the wallet. Over here, if you wanted to discount that, you're able to set up a discount. So $1 is worth 75 cents in real currency amount. So that means, for example, $100 purchase would cost me $75. You can make this whatever you want, as much or as little, or nothing if you want, and that's totally up to you. But the goal here is to get your users to purchase rewards in dollars, and you incentivize them for doing so. Just a quick note, Starbucks, when they introduced this feature into their mobile app, I think their sales jumped 28%. So it's a really powerful tool. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like inside the app. So this is the app that we've got the rewards set up in, and when you click on the transaction-based rewards, you'll see your wallet and what's available. And when I click the blue add button, load button here, these are the denominations you see that we just set up on this side: 5, 25, 50, 100, 250, and 500. Depending on the type of business that you are in, you may not want to, if you're at a coffee shop, you're not going to have a $500 card available for a coffee shop. So you can change these denominations as I showed you earlier. And all you're doing is basically clicking a button here, whichever number you want, and hitting the submit button, and it will take you to a payment page. You can see the discount that's applied here in the setup here as well. So a $25 face value card is only $18.75. You enter your cardholder information, your name, your card number, expiry date, and hit the pay now button, and it will automatically add that money into your account and make it available for you to spend. How you spend these rewards now is basically clicking on the earn or the redeem button. So this works both ways. When you're earning rewards in a business that's giving you a percentage of your sales transaction back, or when you're spending any of this accumulated dollars in your wallet. Click on that green button. Your QR code, your unique QR code for each of your customers pops up. The merchant from their device scans this QR code, enters an amount that's being redeemed, and basically right away in real time, those dollars will be removed and or added if you're earning rewards. That's it on the device side. The last area that you need to set up is the payment gateway. For this, you go to your settings, and come down to your passwords and scroll down here, and you'll see your payment gateway. This controls the payment gateway for the rewards wallet, either PayPal or Stripe. If you put both in here, it will default to Stripe. So it prefers Stripe over PayPal. So if you don't want to use Stripe, you blank these things out and just enter your PayPal email address. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, please let us know.